Namaskar. From Buddhist studies, we realize and learn that impermanence is the only constant and reality in life. Nothing is permanent in life. A lot of time it happens that we lose someone very near and we are in constant pain. We keep asking ourselves and our gods why it happened to us. So related to this, there is a very short story which I am going to narrate today. There was a very young mother who had recently lost her child, and she was in great pain. She went to Buddha asking for revival of her child. She said, "Please revive my child, I can't live without her." So Buddha in his wisdom told this young mother that, "Please go, I will do it. I will revive your child, but before that I need mustard seeds from a house which has not faced any death. So go to the village and get me the mustard seeds, then I will revive your child." So this young mother goes to the village, knocking on each door and asks for mustard seeds, and she says that Buddha has asked me that there should not be any death in this family, only then I can accept these seeds and go back to Buddha. So she goes to each and every house in the village, and she doesn't find a single house which has not had any death in the family, or which has not lost a near and dear one. So she goes back to Buddha and says that I could not find any house. So then Buddha tells her, "See, that is the reality of life. There is no one in this life who has not suffered a loss, who has not lost a very close, dear family member. So this loss of yours is irreparable. I understand that. But you have to deal with it. Whatever has happened. Nothing is permanent in life." So, losing someone close and near one is very devastating. It's painful, but one has to live with it. One has to find ways to deal with these kind of losses in life. Life goes on. Life doesn't stop for anyone. We have to find our own peace within ourselves. So stay strong, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless us all.